how to change Discord password if you forgot it on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, first things first, to change your Discord password, if you forgot it, you'll need to go to your Google Chrome or Safari browser and then on the search bar, search for Discord. Tap on it. However, if you tap on here, it will say you to download from App Store. But we cannot do it from the Discord apps. What you need to do is tap on the three dots on the bottom right and then scroll down. You'll find Request Desktop Site. Tap on it. Go ahead and tap on Login. So here, put in your email. Now go ahead and tap on Forgot Your Password, and then a verification mail will be sent to your email to reset your password. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.